Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel. So today we are going to make this pretty pendant set that I have made in the combination of pearls and kundans. So it's very easy to make and looks very pretty while wearing. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make this pendant set at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So the material required is this agate beads. I'm taking this green pastel shade and they are in 2 mm size. You can take any other color. Then these are 3 mm pearls. Then this is an oxidized chain and this already has a blackish effect. Then this 30 gauge wire. Then 28 gauge wire. Earring store. So first we'll make the pendant. For that I'm taking this 30 gauge wire and we're gonna mold this over here. So this one, you can see the design. This has been molded like this. Okay. Now we are going to make a loop. So I'm gonna make a measure of my hand and then I'll make a hole over here. Like this. A little big with the pendant. Okay, so in this way we have to make a loop, and now after this over here again I'm gonna fold this. Okay, so in this way we have to make it. So first we're gonna wrap the wire to this. The shape is ready, so I'm taking this 30 gauge wire and we'll wrap it to the one end. And if you see the design, there is a asymmetrical pattern of this wire only inside. So first I'll wrap this properly and to any other end, then I'll just take it to the any other end and again wrap it over there. Like in this whole circle you have to just add it anywhere like this, and then just keep on adding, moving the wire from one end to another end like free way, so that you will get that pattern of this wire. And just make sure that whenever you are wrapping it should be tight. So now we have made this shape and this is how it looks. So now we will attach the beads to it. So for that again I am taking this 30 gauge wire and we'll wrap this wire to again one end. So I have wrapped this wire like this. Make sure to wrap it very tightly because it has to handle the weight of pearls. So first we are gonna add the pearls. So these are 5 mm pearls that I am taking. So we'll add the pearls to cover the whole round, and then to another end again we'll wrap it. So make sure that it should fit properly to the circle. So I have added the enough pearls now to fit the circle, and you can see this is long the chain has become. So now I'll wrap it to the other end quickly. I feel that still one bead is big, maybe. No, that's enough. So now I'll wrap it So make sure to wrap it very tightly to the end, and then just keep on wrapping for a while. So now I have attached this pearl, so this is how it will look. Now we are gonna attach the crystal beads in the same way. So I'll take the same wire, I want to cut that wire, and I'll add this. These are basically the agate beads, and these are in green shade. So you can take any other shade of color like red, yellow, pink, whatever you want. So the way we attach the pearls, in the same way we are gonna attach these agate beads to this. You can also take golden beads for the same. So this is how it will be. So in the same way I'm gonna attach to the other end also. So guys, I've added enough agate beads, and now I'll attach it to other side. So again, make sure that they will fit perfectly to the inner side. So now I have wrapped this wire, and I'll cut the extra part, and then we start with the further work. So now we have to make the chain necklace. For that I'm taking this oxidized chains, and these are not in whole golden shade, but these are little blackish golden. So we'll attach the 30 gauge wire in the last hole of the smaller chain first, and then I'm gonna add the like this. This is how we will attach in the last hole. I'm gonna attach 3 agate beads in this. So again we'll add these 3 in this chain, and then we'll take this bigger wire like this. We'll take the bigger wire, and we'll add the last hole of this, and then we'll wrap it a little over there, and I'll take this wire down, and we'll go on wrapping the bead. So it will be a kind of effect on that bead, which will enhance its looks. So I'll wrap it 3-4 times so that the wire will be visible to the people. So we are gonna wrap up down side, and then afterwards I'll cut the extra part. So yeah, I have added, and I have cutted the extra part, and now we'll attach. So I have made the similar one already, like for the necklace we need 2. So these are the 2. Now we're gonna attach this with the help of jump ring. I'm taking this jump ring, we'll open it with a bare hand, and we'll add it to the hole of this pendant, and then I'll add it in the chain that we have made. And with the help of plier, now I'm gonna close the jump ring properly, because the chain is very tiny, so it will get out anytime. So in the same way I'll attach the other one, so I'll quickly do that. So always use plier while closing the jump ring, because otherwise the material or whatever you're attaching it will get out. So now we have attached it, and now to the other end we are gonna add the necklace hook to this. So again for the same, I'll take the jump ring. You can also easily add directly, but I'll prefer to take a jump ring, and then we'll add to the one end, and now to the other end. So again always use the plier. So now to the other end I'm gonna add some bunch of jump rings so the size can be adjusted very easily. So yeah, so with this pretty pendant is ready. And yeah, that's it. And now for the earrings, we'll make the earrings now. So again I have made the same pendant with the way I have made the pendant of necklace set. I will make the same charm for the earrings, but we have to make a stud. For that I'm taking this agate bead, and we're gonna take the 28 gauge wire and we'll add the bead over here in this, and I'll leave a little space and we'll go on wrapping. So basically you have to wrap it and always use the wire. So you have to wrap it like to the in a round way to the bead, twice or thrice like this, and then cut the extra part so that it will have a kind of stud effect to the earring. So you can see I have made a stud. So we'll make this wire a little straight, and now with the help of jump ring we will attach it. So I am again taking these 2 jump rings, and then we'll open one and we'll add it to this one hole, and then we'll add this earring in that, and with the help of plier I'm gonna shut it off. So in the same way I'll do to the other one, so I'll quickly do. So guys, I have attached this jump ring stud to the pendant, and this is how our earrings are ready. And that's how another one. Ta-da! Our necklace is ready. Isn't it very beautiful and very pretty necklace set? So do make this one and let me know how do you like my video through likes and comments. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. See you soon. Till then, this is Jazzy.